Hi, welcome back to my channel. In last class, I have explained about Zener diode, where it can operate in a reverse bias condition. Also, the current will flow from cathode to anode. It is because the depletion region is made thin, so the minority charge carriers can cross across the junction, and the current will flow without affecting the depletion region. So that's why this Zener diode was used in a variety of applications, because it can operate in reverse bias condition also. So one of the application is voltage regulator. So this is the voltage regulator circuit. It is just two resistor and one diode, that is Zener diode. So it is connected to a resistor in series, that's why it is RS, and this is the load resistor. So what happens is that let's consider the home appliances, which is a real-time application. Usually in every house, tube light and fan will be switched on. Say in first case you are turning on the fan and tube light. So some voltage will be supplied to fan and tube light, and this fan is running and tube light is also running. Now in second case, if you turn on TV, and this requires higher voltage for its performance. So when this TV is turned on, when and higher supply voltage is given, this fan and tube light will this fan will start running bit slow, and tube light will glow little less comparatively, because higher voltage is now given to TV. So now in third case, if you see motor, so this motor also runs with high voltage, therefore the supply to the motor needs higher. So the voltage from TV, from fan and from tube light will be applied to motor. So what happens is that this TV will turn off for a second and it will again turn on. That is because the voltage is varied, because there is a constant supply voltage which is applied to TV. Now when motor is turned on, the voltage from TV will be pulled to motor. So what happens is that the TV will turn off for a second. So there is a varying voltage to the television. This is not a problem, but when this happens often, the TV's lifespan or performance will get reduced, or it may get repaired. That's why it is advised to use a voltage regulator in between power supply and television or fridge or any other devices. We need a voltage regulator. So usually in between power supply device and the TV or fridge or any other appliances, this voltage regulator is used. This is because whatever the varying input voltage it receives, it will modify to the constant voltage and it will give it to the TV or fridge. So constant voltage will be applied so that it will not affect the device performance. So turning whatever appliances you turn on or off, it will not affect TV or fridge if you use the voltage regulator. So that constant voltage will be supplying whenever the TV is on, whenever the fridge is on, the constant voltage will be supplied. If you are turning on the motor or if you are turning on the washing machine, that will not affect the voltage applied to the other high voltage devices which is being operated. If you are not using a voltage regulator, the voltage supply to the TV or a fridge will keep on varying when we turn on other appliances. So when this happens, they will get repaired soon. So when this voltage regulator is used, it will take the varying input voltage and it will give a constant voltage, so that the voltage to the TV or fridge will not be affected whatever happens or whenever the other devices is turning on. So in order to avoid the effect of varying voltage on high voltage devices, we are using the voltage regulator which gives a constant voltage and in turn constant current. So that's all about voltage regulator by the use of Zener diode. See, actually, I told you it gives a constant current. In Zener diode's reverse bias condition also, when external voltage applied is greater than Zener voltage, the current will get back to normal. That is, current will become constant. That constant current I max is determined by this series resistor. So this constant voltage or constant current supplied to the devices will be determined by this resistor which is connected in series. So that's all about Zener diode and one of its best application in the day-to-day life, that is voltage regulator. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.